Blyth and Joshua McIsaac faced charges of first-degree murder in the death of 27-year-old Brandon Donelan in Minto. Devon and Matthew LeBlanc were also set to be tried separately on the same charges in the same case. McIsaac also faced a second-degree murder charge along with Travis Snowsell in the shooting of Corey Markey in Fredericton. However, an error admitted by Fredericton police has caused all three proceedings to be stayed. Nathan Gorham, McIsaac's attorney, says he hasn't seen multiple murder cases stayed due to an error, but is confident as to why details of the decision are being kept under wraps.
But I have seen cases where errors that were subject to some kind of privilege made it so that the prosecution was no longer viable.
In legal proceedings, the Crown is required to disclose everything in its possession that is relevant to the defense. However, if that information is subject to a privilege, they are not permitted to disclose it. And if that undermines trial fairness, it can lead to a stay.
Whatever happened went straight to the heart of the fairness in the case, and they would have been left with no choice.
Gorham says these decisions are not made lightly.
I defended a case in Ontario a few years back where the entire evidence locker burnt down. So all of the evidence was lost in a homicide case. Every last piece of evidence was lost, and the Crown still proceeded with the trial.
Fredericton Police Chief Gary Forward apologized for the issue and says his department will be conducting an independent review. After the decision, Jessica Donelan, Brandon's sister, took to Facebook saying, "Our families get no justice, no witness statement, no closure, and no ability to feel safe in our communities." Gorham says given the complexity of the situation, the Fredericton Police Review will likely not provide any further closure. It is possible these cases could be reopened in the future, but the likelihood of that is unknown. Johnny James, Global News, Fredericton.